Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Katie and I love to make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. Today we're going to be sharing all about my kitchen organization and my new pantry review. If you guys watch my kitchen remodel video, then you probably remember that I created this hidden pantry on the new kitchen and it was one of my favorite projects, to be quite honest. I was so excited, and this is how the pantry looked when it was completely done. And now we get to finally put shelves and cabinets in this area, and I am so excited to share with you the progress and how I organize this new closet pantry space. Pantry was definitely the first project of 2023. I hired a local company here in Florida to help me create storage and cabinets for this pantry. And I was so happy with the way everything turned out for this small space and very awkward height that we have going on in the space. But everything turned out really pretty. They built all the cabinets in one day, including the countertops. And then the next day, they were coming back to finish with the trim. So you can see there was some trim that needed to be done and some caulking and all of that good stuff. But pretty much this is how they look. And now this is a mess that I had going on in my kitchen slash family room. It was a disaster, but we're gonna get to it. With you some new goodies that I got at Walmart from the beautiful line. This is so pretty, this slow cooker and stuff like that. Well, the next day I got to cleaning the pantry after they added the trim and they finished their work. I went ahead and gave this space a nice wipe, and then of course cleaned the floors and everything like that. Just get it nice and clean and ready to start organizing the pantry. When I finished cleaning the pantry, I added this LED rechargeable under cabinet lighting that I got from Amazon. I love them. I have them in my kitchen as well, and they work really good. And these are motion lights, so pretty much when you walk in, it lights up. And then I'm adding a little cute pantry sign that I got at Home Goods. My old containers from my previous pantry. What I did was remove my old label and put new labels. These labels, I got them from Amazon. They're super cute and they affordable and comes with a bunch of different labels and signs that you would need for your pantry. It was time for me to start putting my containers, my organizational Lazy Susan and stuff like that. Just wanted to see how I wanted to display some of my storage. So here I got these cool baskets from Home Goods. They were only $12.99. I only found two of them. I wish I would have found them all in the same color, but I only found two white ones and then two on the other color. So you will see them in a second. Then here, this is the snack section, which it's the lower side of the pantry. And I wanted this little section for Jaden because it would be easy for him to reach out. So I'm here just putting the containers to see how everything will be displayed. Added two pull-out trays to my cabinet. The first one we're gonna use, it's here for my, appliances and stuff like that. So I just have the toaster here, the slow cooker, and then on top of the counter, I'm gonna put my air fryer. Love his Oreo, and since it's for him to be able to reach him, I didn't want to put him on a glass container, so I used this plastic one. Make sure you wash all your new containers, guys. I did wash all my containers. For the sake of this video, I just didn't show you me washing them, but they were all clean and washed. So I used to have this compact cereal dispensers, and I gave them to my mom when she did her kitchen. So now I ordered two new ones again from Amazon. I love that these are very compact. I wash them, put my labels, and then I'm gonna put our cereal and then another one for Jaden's cereal. This kitchen organization project was definitely 8-weekend project. So the next day we wake up and again, we're here in the kitchen organizing. So I have all of our medicine just temporarily in these drawers here by the bar area of the kitchen. And it was time to clean up those drawers, and that's exactly what I'm doing, just cleaning the drawers and cleaning this kitchen so I could organize and reorganize technically the way that I arrange the cabinets when the kitchen was done. So that's pretty much what you're gonna see me do in this part of the video. Here I'm just watching everything that we had from breakfast.
I've been scared to live 'cause some people never learn, but they're not gonna watch me burn, 'cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Ooh, 'cause
So I gave all my drawers a nice vacuum and a little, wipe, and then I added some lining here to protect the bottom of the drawers, and then I'm just putting things back and organizing as I go.
they always bring all the lonely, but with you here nothing can scare me. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love.
This part, I like my counter space to be clean, so I decided not to display my knives, and I got this knife organizer from Amazon that goes in the drawers. I continue to clean my drawers and organize them. Here are my utensils, and we're putting them here like so. This big drawer here by the stove, I am putting all my silverware, like the ones that we use on a daily, are gonna go here, my measuring cups and stuff like that. Again, I'm using the bamboo organizers that I got from Amazon. So I used to have like a bunch of nonsense plastic containers in this drawer, but I'm reorganizing it to put my cooking pans here, the one that I use usually on a daily. They're gonna go in these two drawers by the stove. just like that, we finally have a clean and organized kitchen. Makes me so happy. And by the way, guys, this is a minimalist kitchen pantry because I am not a person that like to store a lot of things. So what you see here are things that we will be using in the next few weeks or in a month worth of food supplies, or or less. I don't like to store a lot of things. I do have a pantry on my garage and a fridge on my garage where I put extras, but not crazy extras. But here's how everything turned out, nicely organized. I'm very happy with the way this space turned out. It was the best decision for me to create this hidden pantry. It makes meal prepping so much easier, you guys, just having a place where you could walk in and reach for things.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it
Now that you saw the pantry tour, I'm going to show you how I reorganized some of these drawers and cabinets in the new kitchen. So here I kept the old setup for the kitchen sink, which I love. All of these items came from Amazon, so I will be linking them down below. Everything, even the paper towel holder, which I love so much. I kept the same setup, like I said, from the previous kitchen because I really liked it and it functioned for me. Here I just have a bunch of junk, and here's some towels and some gloves for my oven, and this is pretty much how this space is looking here for my cooking essentials. Very minimalist, like I said. All my spices are in here. And then I have this drawer here where, oh my god, you need those organizers in your life. And here are my small containers and food storage and stuff like that. Then here on the oven section, I have my baking pans. You can see, and at the top over there, let me show you, I created like a cutting board section, some paper towels, some extra stuff in there. And for my plates, very minimalist and very simple. Of course, you gotta have those paper plates. But you guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to comment down below what you thought of my organization, and check the description because I'm gonna be linking all the items that I use on today's video.